Hello everyone. Today I'm reviewing Bank of America's savings accounts and certificates of deposit, or CDs, to help you decide whether they're worth considering for your money. Bank of America is one of the largest banks in the U.S., which means their savings and CD products come with plenty of accessibility and convenience. But the interest rates and fees are important to look at closely before making a decision. Let's start with savings accounts. Bank of America's primary savings option is the Advantage Savings Account. It's a simple, straightforward account designed to help you set aside money for short or long-term goals. You can link it to your checking account for automatic transfers, and you'll have access to features like goal tracking, online and mobile banking, and overdraft protection when linked to checking. However, the interest rate is quite low compared to online banks. In most cases, it's close to the national average or even lower, unless you qualify for their Preferred Rewards program. That program can boost your rate depending on your tier, but it still won't match the highest yield online savings accounts. In terms of fees, the Advantage Savings Account has a monthly maintenance charge, but you can get it waived by keeping a minimum daily balance, linking it to a qualifying checking account, or being enrolled in Preferred Rewards. If you don't meet those requirements, the fees can eat into your savings over time, especially since the interest rate is modest. On the plus side, you'll have access to Bank of America's massive ATM network and branches nationwide, so it's very convenient for deposits, withdrawals, and in-person service. Now, for certificates of deposit. Bank of America offers standard term CDs and featured CDs. The standard CDs have terms ranging from a few months to several years, but like their savings account, the rates are usually on the lower side compared to online banks and credit unions. Featured CDs sometimes have slightly higher rates, but you have to choose specific terms to get them. One advantage is that your money is safe with FDIC insurance, and CDs can be a good choice if you want a fixed rate for a set period without worrying about market changes. However, keep in mind that you'll pay an early withdrawal penalty if you take the money out before maturity. The biggest benefit of Bank of America's savings and CDs is convenience. Everything can be managed under one account login along with your checking, credit cards, and loans. It's also easy to open new accounts, transfer funds, and speak to a banker in person if needed. That said, if your priority is earning the highest interest possible, you'll probably find better rates elsewhere, especially with online banks or smaller institutions. Overall, Bank of America's savings and CDs are best suited for people who value having all their accounts in one place and don't mind sacrificing some interest in exchange for convenience and nationwide branch access. If you're already part of their Preferred Rewards program, the added rate boosts can make them more competitive. But if you're just looking for a place to park your savings for maximum growth, you may want to explore other options first. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.